Hey, it's Gabby with the travel blog Pack Slay. This video is going to be about how did I pack for a trip that I had no idea where I was going to be. I'm going to be telling you a little bit more about my spontaneous trip to St. Thomas, the US Virgin Islands. If you've seen any of my other videos, yes, you'll know that I drove to the airport at 4 a.m. and got on the cheapest flight to somewhere I'd never been that was like slightly international. Those were my guidelines. So how do you pack for a flight where you don't know where you're going to go? The airport that I went to, we could have gone to Ireland with Aer Lingus or London with British Airways, Delta, United, JetBlue, they all fly internationally, so I had no idea where I could end up. So first, I did research. I know from research and experience that the cheapest flights from BWI, where I flew out of, usually go to the Caribbean or South America, Central America, Mexico, because I live in Washington, D.C. I also know that right now it's summertime, so anywhere cheap from D.C. usually is gonna go somewhere warm. Even if I went to Iceland with my bikinis and my crop tops and things, I think I would have been okay because I packed one jacket and one sweater. But I knew generally anywhere I ended up would be pretty warm, so I could pack for a warmer climate. And that's pretty much it. I packed 3 dresses, 2 tops, 1 pair of jeans, 1 jacket, sneakers, wedges, sandals. I think that's it. I packed pretty light. I don't know how I packed lighter for this than my usual trips to California, but I did. I guess you can't overpack when you have no idea where you're going. That's how I packed for a trip where I had no idea where I was gonna go. 1, research. 2, common sense, the weather. It's summer everywhere right now. I don't think I would have gotten a super cheap flight from DC to Ukraine or Russia or Australia where it's winter right now. So just common sense, you know, probably optimism that I would end up somewhere in the Caribbean, somewhere warm, which it worked out. So that's how. Subscribe below. Leave any more questions you have about packing. Obviously, my blog's name is Pack Slay, and I'm team carry-on only, and I pack light pretty much in general. If you need any tips on packing or how I packed for this specific trip, let me know in the comments and I'll try to help you out. All right, bye.